afternoon to everyone. We are the student of SR BGNR Government College. We are studying BBA final year. We have done a study on the establishment of modern retailing on traditional retailing. Myself Ayatya, she is Pooja, Mr. Karthik and Mr. Ram. Now she will continue the rest of the presentation.
These are the topics: introduction, review of literature and research gap, methodology, results and discussion, limitations and suggestions for future research and conclusions. I will begin with introduction. Retail formats. Retail formats means directly selling to the customers. This includes traditional formats and modern formats. Traditional formats: internet salesman, modes and mandis, kirana shops, hats and cooperative stores are there. Modern formats: convenience stores, supermarket, hypermarket, departmental stores, discount stores, specialty stores are there. Now my friend Sai Srina will continue.
In this study, we came to know that in literature shows the presence of existence or emergence of the shopping malls and has several influenced on the small shopkeepers and other business unorganized outlets. In 1993, Loudon and Della have studied the function of several variables involves the customer choice motive in their stores. In 2003, David Gilbert has written a book on retail marketing management and has identified the reasons for the growth of the modern retailing. And in this research, we came to know that several studies have been conducted on the impact of modern retailing on traditional retailing in different countries and cities, but no research has been or studied in the common city. So hence we have taken up. And our main objective is to explore the impact of mega shopping malls on the sales and profits of small retailing business sector in common city. And our motive is to that we conducted this study in the descriptive analytical in nature and it is using of primary data and secondary data. Whereas the primary data is collected from the small retailing shops through an interviewing schedule, and whereas the secondary data is collected through the unpublished reports, books, journals, magazines and internet. And we also discussions with some mall authorities of retail shop owners and understand their problems. And we conducted in this an interview schedule with a simple random sampling method, and we conducted it in just in 15 days. Later my friend Aditya will continue.
In this survey that we have conducted, we have 64% of them are male and 36% of them are females. Let us see what they fall in the age groups are. Most of them in the age group of 30 to 40, they are 34 members. In the age group of 40 to 50, they are 20 members. Next, let us see what are the education qualifications. By seeing this table, we can say that 91% of them are classified and studied above 10th class. Now let us see what are the factors which are attracting the customer. The factors are like price and branding, variety which is available, the customer service, and the computer billing, and these are few things which are attracting the customers. Now let us see what are the traditional retailers are having losses. When we asked them, they said in the 30 to 40% of them are having sales losses. They are 14 members, and 11 of them told that they are having the sales loss of more than 40%. Now let us see in which sector of traditional retailing it is having more losses. The more losses are from the vegetable and grocery sectors, from the electronics and shoe shop owners are having the more losses in the sales. Now findings. After this survey, we have found that the 88% of the traditional retailers are having losses, and the traditional retailers are employing an average of 5.3 people per shop. Next, my friend Karthik will end this.
Let us see the limitations of the study. Time available for the study is limited. We have done this project on the previous. Money are limited, which means money and refund researchers. Sample of foliant is taken for the study. Sample of random family method is chosen for the study. Carried over in common term means it can be because it is done in common. It cannot be generated in other places. There is the adverse impact, which means negative role of the traditional market. Policy makers are suggested to give the advocate important to the use of the small research while tracking the policy decision, which means helping. Searching for the further research. Simple size may be really increased. Similar kind of studies may be taken by the other places. Different family method may be used. Time may be increased by taking up more non-research stuff may be used. And finally, I would like to thank the group for giving this valuable opportunity and helping us from services or Ramesh sir.
Thank you, sir.